Hi guys, I'm Ashley Bryant, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a meal in under 10 minutes. I think some people feel overwhelmed when it comes to raw vegan food because you think you have to do so much. I am here to teach you how to simplify it. Okay, so today I am going to be making me a dish. This dish is going to be comprised of some cauliflower, some mushrooms, some collards, and an avocado. I'm going to season it with hot sesame oil, apple cider vinegar, and some brags. Okay, so I'm going to jump right into it. First thing I want to do is take my mushrooms, okay? I'm going to chop those up. And they do not have to be really pretty, you guys. Just chopping them up. The whole point is to make this dish in under 10 minutes to show you just how easy it is to get it right from the fridge to your plate. And I absolutely love mushrooms, so I kind of do eat them every day just about. Okay, so once I chop up the mushrooms, and these mushrooms are portobello mushrooms. So I'm going to chop those up. Just have to clean my tray a little bit because mushrooms are kind of messy. I'm going to take the brags, okay? See my mushrooms? I'm going to take a few squirts, not even that much. I kind of put too much. But you just want to take a few squirts of brags. Massage, 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 massage. Massage it in there. And you do not need a lot of brags because this is what I use to marinate and it gives it enough flavor, okay? You want to take that, set that aside. The next thing I am going to do, actually, I want to chop up my collards first. So I have about 3 collard green leaves. I'm going to just chop those up. And you want to take those, I'm going to set those on my plate, okay? This is how my collards look so far. I'm just going to grab the oil because I forgot to get it. You want to take a tiny bit of oil, just a few drops, because collard greens can be a little rough. You want to sprinkle it on the collard greens. The next thing I am going to do is massage that in there. You can spend anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, and you just want to massage it. Massage those greens because it helps to break it down. The next thing I'm going to do is take a little apple cider vinegar. About a cup full. I'm going to make sure my greens are fully saturated with it. And then I'm going to massage again. Massage, massage, massage. Now I could put brags in here because that's usually how we do my salad dressing. But remember, I have already soaked the mushrooms and that's enough brags for this dish. The next thing I am going to do is take my cauliflower. I'm going to dump it. Oh, actually I need to show you how much. Sorry. So it's like 1 bowl full. I'm going to dump it right into my food processor. The next thing I'm going to do is break it down. And I'm stopping it because I noticed this cauliflower is not all the way down, which will cause it to take a little longer. So you can blend this cauliflower rice anywhere from a minute or more, depending on how much you want to break it down. But you do not want to break it down so much till it becomes like soggy and wet. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do because I'm filming this. Usually I would go like a minute and a half. See my cauliflower rice? I'm gonna take that cauliflower rice. I'm going to dump it onto my plate. And guys, the thing I love about making this food, and like I said, it's in under 10 minutes, and it's so easy to make it delicious. All right, the next thing I want to do is take my hot sesame oil. And I want to use probably about half a tablespoon. And I usually don't measure out, I just take it and I pour it. And You can season this rice whichever way you like. You can add more sesame oil if you want. You can put red peppers in here. You can put onions. You can put green pepper, whatever you want. You can make this rice to taste however you want. I just like to use sesame. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is take my avocado. Now, I ate half of this avocado last night. And now I'm going to use the other half today. I'm going to take the avocado, just place it on the side. So remember my mushrooms that I was letting soak? You can let this soak anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes. I usually just put it on last when I'm done. I'm going to take that, put it on top of my rice. But remember, I didn't add brads to my greens, so I'm going to use a little bit to flavor my greens as well. So I just kind of want to get this all over. If you like your rice to be a little more flavored, you could add some brads. Brads pretty much seasons everything. It just makes everything taste better. But because it is salty, and I do kind of watch the salt that I use, I tend to kind of moderate the amount that I have. Okay, so that's my dinner, guys. In under 10 minutes. I think that took me a full 5 minutes to make. And you would just mix this in. And I'm just going to be honest with you. It was pretty when I showed you, but I combined everything. I like my foods to touch. And I combine everything on top of everything. So good. Now if you want, you can add seaweeds to your rice, anything you want. I just wanted to bring you this video today because we're going raw vegan. Some people think, oh, I have to do this, I have to do that. I'm going to tell you, keep it simple. Learn to make meals that you can throw together quickly. That is so important to your success. If you're hungry and it's going to take you hours to make something, most likely it's not going to keep you motivated. If you start to learn little things you can do to fill up really quickly, even if you're not prepared, you're going to have success in the long run. So, I hope you enjoyed me showing you how to prep a meal in less than 10 minutes. Not only is it nutritious, it is perfect. I can burn this quickly and I do not have to worry about any calories. I can enjoy it as much as I want. So, if you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.